I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your PC. Make sure Windows is updated, you have an Apple ID with two-factor authentication, and admin rights. Once ready, download iCloud for Windows from the Microsoft Store or Apple, then run the installer and sign in with your Apple ID. Make sure to grant the app permissions when Windows asks, because iCloud needs File Explorer access to show iCloud Drive. After signing in, choose the basic sync options to begin. Don't skip enabling iCloud Drive and Photos. Now configure exactly what you want to sync. Open the iCloud app and check iCloud Drive, Photos, Bookmarks, and Mail/Contacts/Calendars if you use Outlook. Then click Options to tailor each feature. For Photos, enable iCloud Photos if you want originals in the cloud and automatic download to the PC. Use My Photo Stream for recent photos only. Once options are set, open File Explorer and confirm the iCloud Drive folder appears. Move a test file into it so you see. To finish, confirm all items uploaded and synced. Check the iCloud icon in the System Tray and File Explorer overlays for progress. Once done, test on another device to ensure files and photos appear. If something goes wrong, sign out and sign into iCloud, restart the iCloud service, and install any updates for Windows or the app. Make sure your Apple ID authentication completed, firewall or antivirus isn't blocking iCloud, and your network is stable. These fixes solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.